Hey there, I'm not Dan, but in this video we're going to be taking a look at fission versus fusion reactions. It's
been better nights are calling, can't find no sleep. Can't you see I'm falling? Oh Lord.
Welcome back. Now before we go any further, full disclosure is in order. I am by no means an expert on this particular subject, so if what you're looking for is a more detailed explanation as to the differences between fission and fusion, well then you are better off hitting stop and going to find those other videos. However, if all you're looking for is a basic list of comparisons, well then you're in the right place. And with that in mind, let's get to it. Fission is the process by which a large atom is split into smaller atoms. It is the reaction used in nuclear power plants today, and it uses uranium as its fuel source. And unfortunately also produces large amounts of nuclear waste. Fusion, on the other hand, is the process of taking small atoms and fusing them together to make one larger atom. It is the reaction that occurs in the sun and all other stars. So clearly it produces vastly larger amounts of energy than fission. It's also a much cleaner energy source, so it doesn't produce nearly as much nuclear waste as fission. The problem is that it's the sun. Fusion requires us to basically harness the power of a star, and as such requires extreme temperatures. So it's a little bit out of our ability to control at the moment. There you are. So to wrap up, fission takes a large atom and splits it into smaller atoms, whereas fusion takes smaller atoms and brings them together to make a larger atom. Fission utilizes uranium as a fuel source, whereas fusion uses hydrogen as a fuel source. Fission produces large amounts of nuclear waste, whereas fusion produces relatively small amounts of nuclear waste. Fission is a reaction that we can control, whereas fusion is a reaction that we cannot quite control just yet. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any further questions, please be sure to comment below. And if you haven't done so yet, please hit that subscribe button. All right, thank you guys so much. I'm not Dan, and neither are you. Check you later.